Hey Siri, open the trunk.
Okay, done. I opened the trunk.
Hi, I'm Joy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I share my Tesla Model 3 owner experience to help new and future owners learn more about this car. If you find my videos helpful and informative, please consider subscribing. I recently went ahead and got an Apple Watch. To be honest, I am more of an analog watch type of woman, and I've been resisting getting this gadget for a very long time because I didn't want to have something with me, on me, for most of the day that potentially could just keep bugging me. However, I had a scary episode with my iPhone when it got stuck in a really weird state and I couldn't get it reset, and I could not even get into DFU mode to revive it. So I decided to go ahead and get this as a backup to my phone. Also, sometimes I do not want to carry my phone around because it's a bit bulky. Like when I am walking ginger, when I'm going out on a hike, or I'm just running to the store. I don't want to be carrying this thing around. So having a little gadget like this makes a lot of sense to me. So I jumped in and got this. If you didn't know, the Tesla app itself does not have the Apple Watch function. So you can't control your car with the Apple Watch alone. However, the Stats app that I have been using for over a year has Apple Watch function. And this has given me so much freedom being able to control my car just using the Apple Watch. And for the record, I have the cellular version of the watch. So I am able to leave my phone at home and wear this outside when there is an LTE connection. Keep in mind though that if there's no internet connection where you park your car or where you have your watch or your phone, you do need to still carry the key card as the backup, which I always do. In order to use Siri shortcuts to control your car from your Apple Watch and also from your iPhone, you do need to first set them up in the Stats app on your phone. So all you have to do is go to the Settings tab and then look for Siri shortcuts under Tools. And here you can set up a variety of commands for Siri to register. However, there are limited functions that the Apple Watch is able to control. So for example, home link and vent windows, activate max defrost, deactivate max defrost, and get remaining charge and get inside-outside temperature. Those are not available as Siri shortcuts on your Apple Watch, but you can use your phone for those functions. Once you set this up, you are able to control your car from the Apple Watch via these Siri's voice commands. Once you set up the Siri shortcuts in the app, you can come to your watch, and this is what you can see from the Apple Watch app. So the very first screen tells you the range left for your car. And these are all the available commands that you can use just by tapping these or using Siri shortcuts. From personal experience, coming in here and enabling the function this way is a lot faster than using Siri because there's a few seconds delay between Siri connecting to the app to enable this function. So all of these you could enable using voice commands except for start car. For security purposes, you cannot start your car and bypass pin to drive function using voice commands. So you do need to do a confirmation on the watch before you can use it. Right now, I have the complication set to show the percentage of my battery because that's how I gauge when I need to go charge my car. But of course, you can change it to estimated range or rated range. So if I change it to rated range, you'll see that this has changed to the rated range. And with complications showing on the watch face, you can very easily access this app and all the commands available to control your Tesla just from the Apple Watch.
Hey Siri, lock the car.
Okay, done. The car is locked.
Hey Siri, unlock the car.
Okay, done. The car is unlocked.
Hey Siri, make my car comfortable.
Okay, done. I set Joy Mobile's temperature to 73 degrees Fahrenheit.
You see how convenient it is to have the Stats app on the Apple Watch? If you do have the Apple Watch, but you don't have the Stats app yet, I highly recommend that you purchase this app for your Tesla. I have done a tutorial a little while ago. It is a little bit outdated, but most of the functions are still there. So if you're interested in taking a look before you make your decision to purchase, you can check out that tutorial right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next week, and God bless.